If you are dealing with a persistent cough, you likely have a buildup of mucus in your chest, although that is not a life-threatening condition. It can certainly affect your quality of life, and left untreated, it can lead to additional complications before you head to the doctor. There are a few things you can do to help clear up your symptoms at home. Keep watching to learn more about the different treatment options available. Humidify the air. Moisturizing the air around you can help keep mucus thin. You may have heard that steam can clear phlegm and congestion. There actually is not much evidence to support this idea, and it may even cause burns. Instead of steam, you can use a cool mist humidifier. You can run the humidifier safely all day long. You'll just want to make sure that you can change the water each day. And clean your humidifier according to the package instructions. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough liquids, especially warm ones, can help your mucus flow. Water can loosen your congestion by helping your mucus move. Try sipping anything from juice to clear brush to chicken soup. Other good liquid choices include decaffeinated tea and warm fruit juice or lemon water. Gargle salt water. Gargling warm salt water can help clear phlegm that's hanging on the back of your throat. It may even kill germs. And soothe your sore throat. Mix together a cup of water with 1:2 to 3:4 teaspoons of salt. Warm water works best because it dissolves the salt more quickly. It's also a good idea to use filtered or bottled water that doesn't contain irritating chlorine. Sip a bit of the mixture and tilt your head back slightly. Let the mixture wash into your throat without drinking it. Gently blow air up from your lungs to gargle for 30 to 60 seconds and then spit out the water.